So this will help me to track down the money or the expenses and the purchases.
Hi guys! So for today, tayo ngayon? It's August 5 and I'm going to show you guys how I am going to set up my POS, because I've mentioned na part of my list is to set up the POS. Now aside from setting up the POS guys, I will also be sharing with you the setup of my cash flow tracker. The most important thing talaga guys is you know how to manage the money and the finances of your business. Now, I will show you the cash flow tracker guys. This is a tracker that helped me track the money of this business. So if I started out this milk tea business, I should know, or I should have the list of the money, the incoming of the money, and the outgoing of the money guys. So, let's go.
So guys, ito yung POS system na ginagamit ko. It's valeryn.gonzales. They also have an app for this, which I will be showing to you later on. But for now, let me just log in first. Now, mag-create ako ng separate video guys to go through all of these tabs here and everything. But for now, I just wanted to show you guys that this is the POS that I'm using. And for me to set up guys, let me show you my milk tea, premium milk tea. So I'm doing the category premium milk tea. We have the berry choco, black forest, Fuji milk tea, red velvet. And what's the good thing about this guys is it will show you the price, the cost, and the profit margin per items guys. And of course there are reports, here, but siguro papakita ko na lang sa inyo mismo guys sa susunod guys. So that's it for my POS, the back end of the POS guys. And this is the front end of Loiver's POS. Here I'm already logged in guys. And sorry ha kung may ring light tayo dito. So let me just open the shift. And let's say starting cash 0 siguro yung cash on hand. Open the shift. And here you can see here are the items I'm selling. So it has a sales, receipts, and then basically it's just the front end. If there's like a sale, so tap mo lang yung kung ano yung nabenta mo. Let's say for example 1 berry choco or 1 black forest, tap mo lang yan dyan guys at magto-total na siya. So every time I'm selling something, I'm using this Loiver's app. So next guys, this is my cash flow tracker guys. So this will help me to track down the money or the expenses and the purchases of the business. I actually sell this guys early of 2021, but I stopped it kasi nga I was doing the improvement, and you know this is a brand new cash flow tracker. So here, let me just show you guys how it helped me to monitor the money, how I'm using this system. So we have here the August 21 overview. If you notice, there's an amount here. So this is actually, let me just make it bigger. This is actually the exact amount of how much is remaining of my money. So let's say I begin the start of 0, siguro wala tayong income. Product sales, automatic ito guys. This part here will automatically, if I input an amount here. So let's say on the first day of the release guys, I sell it like around 500 pesos, and the next one would be 600, like that. So yung overview na part guys right here, it will add up, it will be updated, so it will show you that my money is 1,100. Then the next one would be the next part will be the expenses. So the expenses right here, like the product purchases. So let's say on my first week, guys, I'll input the product purchasing. Let's say milk tea powder. Ayan. Then I spent around siguro 500 then for the powders. So, let's say 500 yung total purchases ko dyan. So, mag-automatic mag-deduct ito, guys. It will show you that this is the amount should be I'm holding. So, that's what 500, guys. So, it's show me how much money should be left, and I have the break even. So I will be creating a different separate video on my cash flow, updated cash flow tracker, guys, because I will be selling this out around siguro December for a pre-order. So comment lang kayo if you like this. I will be letting you know how much would it be. Then we have also the salary and the allowance for monitoring, guys. So basically a cash flow tracker allows me to monitor or have me an overview of how much money, how much would be my total sales, how much are my total purchases for the month, for the expenses, and it can break down on a weekly, first week, second week, third week, fourth week, and etc. guys. I have the daily sales to input the amount of my daily sales. So that's it. That's my cash flow tracker, and I have already edited this one, guys. The dates has been already set up for the August. So hopefully talaga August would be a good month for us. Right there.
That's it muna, guys. I know na na-share ko sa inyo, guys, that it has to be started on the second week of August, but I don't think so na ma-start ko siya on the August, guys, kasi we close our shop due to MSCQ, and because tumataas po talaga ang number ng mga positive cases here sa Cebu. So maybe I will be putting this on hold, but the planning still going to be continue, guys. By the way, I shared on my Facebook page, I'm redesigning the logo, and I hope that you can share, guys, your input, or you can share kung ano yung mas preferred niyo sa tatlong design na logo na ginawa ko, because I really need your help, guys, to choose from those 3 items or the 3 images or logos that I created. So just check out on the Facebook page, guys, and then comment nyo na lang kung anong gusto niyo, design 1, design 2, and design 3. I am rebranding the milk tea business talaga, guys. I have to plan it out and everything. So yun, I'm still be doing the video of the planning, guys. After this one, testing part na sana, kaso wala pa akong ingredients na nabibili, guys. Hindi ako makalabas or takot pa akong lumabas, guys, because I do have 2 kids. Hindi pa ako vaccinated. And, you know, I'm just waiting na ma-vaccinated na ako, and hopefully this month or the next few days, guys, I can have my vaccine. Yun, so I will just update you guys if ever makakapag-testing part na ako sa milk tea ko. So the testing part, it means I'll have to create the milk tea, show you the process, guys. And then after that, I'll be doing the photo shoot of the product. So that's it. So yun nga, on hold na muna tayo, guys, for this video or for this content. Then I'll just continue whenever I can. I will be back to our regular video or regular content na muna, guys. So, on hold tayo sa replanning or restarting milk tea series natin. Okay? So, thank you so much, guys. If nagustuhan ninyo, please don't forget to like and share this to your friends or family na nangangailangan. And I will be seeing you on our next video. Thank you!